Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our Secretlab Titan XL Soft Weave Gaming Office Chair. So we are in Phoenix, Arizona, so it gets really hot here during the summers. So I've gone ahead and we went and got the soft weave instead of getting the leather, just because it's going to be so hot. It's going to be kind of sticky and gross. We don't have any kids here, so I don't have to worry about anything getting ground into the fabric. So we are going to go ahead and unbox, and we're going to assemble it here, and then we'll give it a little test run to kind of give you an idea. I'm about 6 feet and currently tipping the scales around 250 pounds. That's all thanks to COVID, sitting around the house not getting to play hockey for the last year, as you can tell by the last time I posted a hockey video. Hopefully all that's changing. Hopefully I'll get a little bit lighter. But anyway, if you're close to my weight and size, you'll kind of see how we fit in this chair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this guy and assemble it and see how it feels. Take it for a test drive. So come on along and we'll go ahead and unbox. All right, there you go, guys. So it took about 20 to 30 minutes to assemble the chair. All the tools were included. I'm really impressed by how everything was packaged. The instructions were clear. They printed on a big piece of cardboard for even an old guy like me can read it easily. Everything was packaged really nice. The hardware that came included with the chair was beefy and chunky, and looks like it would really hold up for the test of time. I guess we'll find out, because I'll be using this chair pretty regularly. I edit videos a lot on my channel. I was going to plan on using this for work as well, so we'll see how that goes. So we'll probably give maybe a 6-month review after I've used it for some time, just to see how I like it. But the cushion itself feels like a memory foam. The cloth is like a tight weave, which feels really nice. Chair is very comfortable, easily to adjust. Yeah, so far I'm really happy with it. I love how it went together. It's probably the easiest office chair that I've put together, and it actually feels like it's got some weight to it. Like, this thing probably weighs the same amount as a Buick. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe. Hopefully we'll get back to some hockey content soon. Hopefully COVID gets lifted here shortly. So anyway, stay safe. Enjoy your chair if you bought one, and see you in the next video.